In this video, I will show you 5 steps to resolve the issue your Wi-Fi is not working after Windows 10 and 11 update. So how you can resolve this issue? Watch this video till end, your issue should be fixed. So let's start without wasting your time. So first go to the icon here, internet icon, click on this icon. Okay. Once you click on this icon, you should see the internet as setting option. Click on this. Now you should see the change adapter options. Click on this option. Now choose your Wi-Fi driver here. This is the Wi-Fi icon you can see here, or whatever option. If you are using the Ethernet cable, you can choose so right click on that, go to its properties and scroll it down. Look for IPv6 version, this option, Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IP. Uncheck this option from here and then click on OK. And right click on it, refresh it and check if your issue is solved or not. If not, we can move to the second method. In the second method, we will enable and disable the Wi-Fi adapter. Since we are on this page, so we can directly do that. Right click on the adapter, okay, and disable it first. It is disabled now, and re-enable it. What will happen after disable and enable it? It will refresh all the settings and try to connect with the network. Okay, so in my case it is still not working. It's saying can't connect to this network. So move to the third method. In the third method, we will flush the DNS setting as well as the reset the IP. Sometime old IP and DNS cache can cause this issue. So we can flush the DNS with the command prompt. Go to CMD, right click on it and run it as administrator. Click on yes button when the prompt opens. Now we need to type here only 3 commands. All the 3 commands you will get in my description box, as well as you can follow on the screen. So this is the first command. Okay, just copy this command and paste it here. This will reset the IP. Hit OK. Now you can see resetting. Okay. It will reset all the settings, okay, and as well as the IP. After that, hit this command. This will reset the socket error. Okay. Now you need to type only one command, more command here. This will flush all the DNS as well as the cache inside your DNS. Enter. Okay. Now restart your system. So let me restart my system. I will show you after the restart my issue is solved or not. Okay. So I have restarted my system and let me try to connect with my network. Now you can see it is connecting and it is connected now. It seems like it is working. Now you can see it is connected. So the third method is work for me. If your issue is still not resolved, move to the fourth method. In the fourth method, we will run the Windows troubleshooter which can fix the issue. Go to start menu, then click on here setting options. Okay, click on update and security option, then click on troubleshoot. Click on additional troubleshooter. Now click on this option, internet connections. Click on this and run the troubleshooter. It will automatically fix the problem. Select this option, detecting problem. Since my internet is already working here, so it will not work on my system, but still you can try this step. This will automatically resolve your issue. Okay, so I'm canceling this process right now. My internet is working fine now, but let it detect the problem and close it. You can also choose this option which says network adapter, find and fix problem with the wireless and other network. You can also run this troubleshooter as well. Okay, two options here to run, and you can select the Wi-Fi. Next, now close it. Okay, your issue should be fixed. If not, this is the last method you can try. Click on the Wi-Fi icon here. Okay, internet icon. Click on internet network and internet setting. Scroll it down, you will see the network reset. Okay, click on this option. This will reset all the settings, so you need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password here, but this will reset all the settings to default. So this is the powerful method. You can try this as well. Click on reset now, and once you click on reset now, you may lose your VPN connections here if you are using the VPN, virtual private network. So you may have to re-enter it, but I have tried. I'm also using the VPN. This doesn't affect the VPN, but still you can reconfigure it. And for those who are not using the virtual private network, so don't worry, just reset. Click on reset now. Your all the bad setting will be back to default, and then restart your system. Your issue should be fixed. So hope your issue is fixed. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.